As the 2025-26 season edges toward its finale, Kaizer Chiefs are heading into a tense and defining period behind the scenes. A looming contract crunch could leave Naturena with a bloated squad or trigger a major clear-out as several first-team players approach the end of their deals. At present, at least 7 Amakosi players are expected to see their contracts expire once the campaign wraps up, and there are no guarantees that all will be retained. With roughly 5 months remaining, the club's ongoing rebuild means tough calls are unavoidable. Among those entering the final stretch of their agreements are Pule Amodi, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Bruce Bavuma, Gaston Serino, Dylan Solomons, and Nkosingifale Nkobo. While uncertainty hangs over many, a few players have strengthened their case for new contracts. Goalkeeper Brandon Peterson and midfield anchor Sibongiseni Mthethwa are believed to be in a strong position after delivering consistent performances this season. Bavuma, meanwhile, could remain at the club in a backup role, especially with reports suggesting Fierce Intwari may be on his way out. Not everyone is as secure. Gaston Serino has largely been limited to cameo appearances off the bench, and with age also a factor, the club may opt against extending his stay if his role doesn't expand. Nkobo's situation is equally delicate. After a bright start to the season, his recent dip in form has raised questions, and an improvement may be required to avoid an exit. Dylan Solomons has enjoyed an impressive resurgence, claiming the right-back position, particularly in the CAF Confederation Cup. However, stiff competition from Reeve Frosler and Thabiso Monyen means his future is anything but settled. As for Pule Mamodi, his tireless work rate has earned praise, but a lack of goals and assists could prompt Chiefs to explore alternative options on the wing. Sources suggest the club is in no hurry to make decisions, preferring to assess the full picture once the season concludes. For several players, the final months of the campaign could be a defining audition, one that determines whether their future lies at Naturena or elsewhere.